G'day everyone, my name's Lucas, Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're going to draw
Lightning Dude.
Lightning Dude, ADHD from Dogman. Let's do it.
Woo.
With ADHD, he's kind of round, that's all he really is to him, and he's got his arms and his stuff going on. We're gonna get something. We're gonna get a pencil and we're gonna get something circular. But if you get something around about that size, that's circular, like a jar or a cup, or even like a bowl from your kitchen, you could do that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place that sort of around here. So imagine this is gonna be ADHD's sort of main body, and he's gonna have a cape because Lightning Dude has a cape, all right? So the cape's gonna sit here, his body's gonna sit here. So what you wanna do with a pencil is just lightly go around the shape of your object that you've chosen, like so. And so Phoenix, if you wanna do that. So while Phoenix is doing that, I'm gonna talk you guys through. We're gonna erase this later on. We're just gonna use this as a marking lines right now, okay? And we're gonna outline it too. Good work. Good, that's what we want. All right, what I want you guys to do is I want you to start sort of draw a dot there. And what I want you guys to do, we want to draw another dot sort of around about here, okay? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna like draw a black line around that pencil line. Now, it doesn't matter if you don't get this perfect, because remember, in the Dav Pilkey universe, the way he draws his characters, they're not 100% perfect. There's a bit of a raw element to it, which is really awesome. Okay, there you go. Good work, Phoenix. And see how Phoenix has missed there and I've missed here too. I went out and he's went in. It doesn't matter because it's going to add to the character of ADHD. Or sorry, Lightning Dude. Got to get it right. All right, so within this area here, we haven't connected it. So what's going to happen here? This is going to be ADHD's hand. So we're going to do a little upside down U there. And we're going to do like sort of a backward C there. These are like little U's sort of on different angles. And then we'll actually do a proper U at the bottom here. Like so, like that. So you can imagine that's his hand sitting on his hip. Good work, Phoenix, awesome. Now from here, let's get the visor of ADHD. You know, an ADHD has up here, here's his visor, and he's got a line here that separates his orange body. So all you want to do is you want to start at this finger here, and you just want to curve it down and around like that. You can curve it as much as you want. You can make it straight like Phoenix is doing. It's totally up to you. Good work. Now let's do this arm here. Let's form this arm out here from ADHD. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to start at the base of the hand here, okay? And you can go up to there, like so. Yep, cool. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a line that comes into his body here to form off the top part of the arm, so there. Cool, awesome. Now what we wanna do is we wanna do a line that sort of follows that line there and stops there. We're not going to connect it up. So it sort of follows the same sort of motion as this line. Yep, like that. And then we're going to come in just under there and go back into the body of ADHD. Beautiful. So there you go. That's his arm. So he's got one arm on one side. He needs another arm on the other side. Yep. All right. All right. So we're going to start up here with one of the arms, the other arm, and go sort of down to about there. Good work. And then you want to swing in on an angle like that. We're not going to connect it. Yep, beautiful. And what we're going to do, we're going to form out the rest of his other hand here. I'm just going to go a bit longer with that line, and we're just going to go a U in like that. Yep, and then just up above here, you want to do a sideways sort of U or an upside down U. Yep. Cool. And then we're going to take a line that goes into here like that. And then what we'll do, we're just going to draw a line that goes into there like so. Good work. So there we go. We have ADHD with his hands on his hips. It's looking pretty cool. We're getting there. Now, what we want to do next, we're going to do ADHD's legs and feet. So on this side here, I want you to come about around here and just draw a line down like that. So it kind of looks like he's just sitting on a bunch of sticks at the moment for legs. And just over a bit, same sort of direction as the other line. You know, we're about a centimetre apart there. Yep, Cool. Now, what we're going to do his feet. Now, what you want to do is you want to just do a curve around here, and we'll go sort of like this, like that. There you go there. Good job, Phoenix. Now, what we'll do, because he's got those flip-flops on, we're just going to do like sort of an arrow shape like that. So you go in and out like that. Now we're going to just draw 1, 2 lines like that. Yep, so that's sort of his toes. If you want, you can just be a bit clever like that and, you know, form them out. And at the bottom of the back here, you just want to thicken the line a little bit. So it's like the sole of his footwear. Okay. Awesome, Phoenix, that's great. Now, on this side, we're going to do his other leg. Now, what we'll do is we're actually going to start at his body here. And we're going to come in and around about there, like that. Yep, we'll do the same thing here. Same sort of thing, follow that motion of the line, same sort of distance. Yep, good job, Phoenix. Now what we want to do, like we did over here on this foot, we want to curve around, come in and around like that to form his foot. Standing very tall and proud, isn't he? Mm-hmm. Awesome work, Phoenix. Now what you want to do, we can do the V again, just like that. So the part of his flip-flop. And what you want to do is you want to do a line in for one of the toes, like that. And then another one there. And like I said, you can sort of form his toes out if you wish, like that. And what we'll do, I'm going to just make the front of it black and the sole of it. So imagine he's got a sole. And just like, do the same on the other side actually, like that. So you can imagine that's his, that's the bottom of his footwear. Okay, so the next step is on a lightning dude, little Petey sticks a face on ADHD's visor. So it's like just a bit of paper with some tape and 2 eyes. It's upside down. And it's upside down. Yeah, it's quite funny. Now what we're going to do up here, I want you guys to do sort of a curved line like that, slightly curved line.
Well, it's not really upside down.
And then over here, I want you to do another curved line there. It's kind of like his 2 eyes. So that could be a character in itself, couldn't it? All right, and then over here, I want you to sort of slightly curve this line into there. Yep, and then we go another line like that. Okay. Now, we want to put 2 eyes on this. So 1 eye here, circle there, and a circle there. There you go, there, Phoenix. Let's have a look. Beautiful. And we'll just put a dot in the middle. And then we're going to put a V right up here, above the middle. And to form out the back of this, we're just going to put a line down there. Yep, and then a line that tucks in there. So you imagine that's a folded bit of paper. You're seeing the bit of paper underneath the bottom. Now to just do the sticky tape, that's sticking this piece of paper onto ADHD's head, we're just going to like do a line there, a line there. Maybe you can rough it up at the top and the bottom so to look like it's sticky tape. There you go. What do you think of that, Phoenix? Oh, that's cool. I like your sticky tape. That's a really nice bit of sticky tape there. Next step is we're just going to form ADHD's lines. He's got lines on his arms and lines on his legs. So we'll start on this arm here. And it doesn't matter how many lines you put on there. You can put as many as you want. We're just going to do what we're going to do. So go 1 line here, line there, line there. And when we come to here, we'll put a line here. You can curve these lines as well. Line there and line at the wrist. Okay? Yep. And then over here, we do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, 5, 6, and 7, like that. Cool. Good work, Phoenix. And we're going to do lines down here. We can curve these lines here. 1 curve, 2 curve, 3 curve. Okay? And then we're going to do, so over here, this line here is already going to be his line for that. So we're just going to do a upside down U there to curve that off. And then we'll do 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. Good job, Phoenix. That's fantastic. So we've got ADHD going on there. All we need now is the cape to make him lightning dude. Now he's got a cool cape that sort of flows out here. If you like drawing capes, capes are a cool thing to draw. So let's start around about this line here underneath his arm. And I want you guys to go down the hill in a car, go up, around, and stop around there at the corner to buy some milk and bread.
What?
All right, from here, we are just going to do a series of mountains or curved mountains or upside down U's. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 5. Oh, I think we do 5. And then we'll go into there, a big one into there. So imagine that's his cape sort of flowing in the wind, the bottom of his cape. And then what we'll do is we're going to form off the top of his cape. So imagine this is a sort of a 3D effect. So we're just going to do a line from here that goes into his arm there. And then we're going to do a line that goes into there, into his head. All right, and there we have it. We have drawn the outlines for Lightning Dude, otherwise known as ADHD. What do you think of that, Phoenix?
Yo.
Before we go into the next step, grab an eraser and we're just going to erase out those pencil lines that we did earlier. All right, there we go, guys. We've done it. What's the next step?
Color in.
We're going to color in. We'll see you on the other side.
Woo.
Okay guys, there we go. We colored in Lightning Dude, AKA ADHD. What did you think of that, Phoenix?
It was fun.
That was fun. It was a lot of fun, wasn't it? Because it's got this cool cape, it's got the colors, it's got the orange, the blues, the reds, and he's got this cool little angry face stuck on his visor, which we colored in a bit of gray with some, strokes of gray, which is really awesome. So what was the best part about this one for you, Phoenix?
The cape.
The cape. Why did you like the cape? Is it just because it's flowing, it's nicely done in 3D? Yeah? The lines?
Bits.
The bits, yep. There's lots of little bits going on there, a lot of detail. Well, anyway, guys, at home, you can do whatever you want. If you want to do this shading, you want to keep it simple, you want to do a different color, up to you. Anyway, guys, my name is Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And today we had fun making art, and I hope you did too. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
I jumped again.
Huh?
I jumped again.
Yeah, don't you have to jump? Why are you jumping?
Color in.
We're going to color in. We'll see you on the other side. Okay, sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. All right, there we go, guys. We colored in ADHD, Lightning Dude. What'd you think of that, Phoenix? Say something. Oh, blah. Well, there we go, guys. We colored in ADHD. What'd you think of that, Phoenix? No, it's not ADHD, it's Lightning Dude.